Chicago, has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 7:15 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds 34 knots or greater in small hail over Northerly Island, moving northeast at 25 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake around 5:40 p.m. Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois around 5:40 p.m. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake around 6 o'clock p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 o'clock p.m. Wednesday evening for northeastern Illinois. The following is a